Adding new records in Sage 50 Cloud accounts isn't a difficult task. To help, in version 28.1, we've added a simple to use paste function to all address fields. The new feature supports multiple address formats, saving you time and avoiding potential mistakes. Let's take a quick look at the paste option in action. We'll go into a customer record, and you can see we've got a blank address field. Now, if we access our Notepad file, so let's just tab to that one, and here we've got a range of addresses. So we'll highlight the first one, right click and copy, switch back to Sage, and rather than type that in, so what we might have done in the past is enter it manually, or copy the first line, paste it in, copy the second line, paste it in. Now that we've copied the full address, in version 28.1, we've got the paste address option. You just give it a click and it'll paste all lines of the address in. Let's just close out of that. We'll not save the changes, and we'll go into the blank record again. Right, if we go back to our text file containing our addresses, and this time we've got a single line. Exactly the same address, but it's now on a single line. So we'll just right click, copy it, switch back to Sage, and again we'll use the paste option, and you can see it pops it straight in. So much quicker than entering it manually or using copy and paste for individual lines. Final one we'll demonstrate. If we go back into the record, and then again select our third format address. So this time we've got additional information. We've got the country on the end. We right click, copy it, switch back to Sage, and this time, because we've got more lines or more information in the address than what it initially recognizes for the address field, when we click paste address, we'll get this select address lines instead. So we can choose what elements of the address that we've copied, what we want to paste into what area. So United Kingdom was an option on the address that we copied. We could choose that and paste that into one of the additional fields if needed. But otherwise, that's it done. Now remember, the paste address feature, it is available in all areas of the software where it prompts you to enter an address. So for instance, customer records, supplier records, and also when entering invoices as well. So if we go into an invoice, choose a new invoice, and you'll see we've got the paste address option in the next to the address field, which works in exactly the same way. Remember, the paste address feature was introduced in version 28.1, so you'll only see it if you've installed your upgrade to the latest version. If you haven't installed it yet and want to find out how, simply access our Help Centre and search for version 28.1.